Hello viewers, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Crackle app on your Android TV without using Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Now on your Android TV, go to the downloader app. And if you don't have the downloader app on your Android TV, check the description of this video. You will find a link which will help you to download it on your Android TV. Now, after downloading, install and launch it. Type in this code 489 153 and launch it. After launching it, it will take you directly to this web page which will help you download the app in your Android TV. As you can see, here's it downloading. Please, mindful, always be patient for it to download in your Android TV. After downloading, the pop-up installation button will show up. Click on it, then you're good to go. Now, here's the installation button. Click on it, and that's all.